I didn't do anything. I'm not the imposter, I swear.
What?
Like
Is hey, change the song. That's too chill. Oh shoot! I didn't mean it that hard.
Guys, I think my house is about to blow up. No, my actual house is about to blow up.
You think you could escape? Flipping off the ledge.
Bro, my house just blew up.
Wait. No,
What?
Yo, what can he do? Brother, what about him? He's over here. He's low down.
That scared me
Get it.
actually.
Alex, I'm stroking my blaze rod so fast. I need a swift potion. Oh my god, Alex, I'm steaming.
What is?
Coming out.
What is it?
You can run.
Hey, play the harf. Play the Freddy Fazbear harf.
Yo.
Bro, that song is so goofy. Why the heck is that song so goofy?
I know just behind you. I didn't flip you off. I didn't flip you off.
Wait, you said your heart? You said your house blew up? You said your house blew up? Your house blew up? You said that?
I flipped you off.
Hello.
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 I'm a child predator.
You're dead.
Oh, nah. Bro, I'm good.
No, you're not.
Bro just said. Bro just said. Hey, look, hey you, purple, look over there.
Good boy.
Nah, bro, you just flirting with this dude.
Yo, play Thick of It. Can you play Thick of It?
You some off like you never did.
Play Thick of It if you have Riz.
Look, hey you, over there. Look, that's right behind you. Oh yeah, look, yeah, behind you. Is that PvP?
Is that PPPPPPPB? Is that PPPPP? Look over there. Look over there. Look over there. Look. Ow. Hey.
Yes, I can do more.
Why is he?
This dude is insane.
Oh, someone joined or left. I think someone left. Purple joined.
Yo, sing. Who's Drake? play Drake.
Drake's back.
Drake.
Drake, where are you? And he's gone. Do you know what he deserves?
Bro, why does that song sound so goofy?
No.
Oh shoot, I'm sorry.
Bro, you're ugly. You're crispy, dusty, and ugly.
He scares me with that song. He does not scare me. Bro, he scares me. If he chases me, I'm gonna crash out.
No,
Bro.
your family's crispy, dusty, and ugly. They got that no range. Ohio. Ohio Sigma. Yo. Hey, Black. Are you sleeping?
You don't scare me. You're not scary enough.
Scared of any ghost.
Yeah, you're not scary enough. You're not scary enough.
Every real ghost in the whole universe.
Oh shoot, run! He's exploding his mic.
Hey, who's that?
Miker.
Hey, Black.
Can you hear me talking? Red. Do you hear me? Do you hear me talking? All right.
Which red? Which red?
Taser?
Which red? Which red?
All the villagers.
Look over.
I killed every villager in the whole world.
Not you. What a goofy out.
Giggity giggity goo. Giggity giggity goo.
Chimpanzini, bananini. Wow.
Wait, he's down there? He's down there? Oh my god.
Monkey.
Chimpanzee Banani. Get back here, Chimpanzee Banani. Get back.
Wow.
Oh, Alex, I'm stroking my blaze rod so fast. I need a swift potion.
Giggity giggity goo. He's not right here. Giggity giggity goo.
Bro, they're being weird. They're being weird.
Nah,
Do I know you?
he's the one. He has soundboard. He has a soundboard. Giggity giggity goo.
Slave villagers.
Oh, that song scares me. It scares me. Don't chase me. Don't chase me.
Oh, hey, I'm not scared of a goofy ass evil ugly person. Cause he does the ugly. Got no riz.
That song scares me. Oh, that song scares me. I better run.
It's so scary.
Embarrassing. Oh, it's the cat. It's the cat. It's the cat.
Do that again.
I played that song in one of my videos.
What did you do to me?
Yeah. Yeah, blue dang.
Hello. Who likes my dress?
I like human ribs.
Say?
Blue, you wanna know? Blue, wanna know what to eat for dinner? Blue, wanna know what to eat for dinner? Blue. Be quiet, Blue. I need to tell you something. Wanna know what to eat for dinner? Human ribs. Monkey ribs, too.
Ooh, let me.
Chimpanzini, bananini. Wow. Bananucci, monkey.
Hey, I'm not a monkey. You're a monkey.
Wow. Boop, bada bim. Coconucci, monkey.
You ready, hey guys, you know what happened?
Okay, guys, I'm leaving now. I'm gonna go. I'll add everyone. If they want.
You know what
I
happened?
have one more. I have one person I can add.
Me.
only.
It's me. I'm a monkey. I'm the special monkey.
Me. I'm the Grox villager one.
Corrupt?
He was the first one I was with.
Blah? Oh,
He
screw
was
up.
second, he was third, he was fourth. I'm sorry, but I have to do pumpkin.
I was third.
We
I
can't
was
have
third.
you
Bro, flipped you off.
Oh wait, you flipped me off. I remember that. Never mind. Get out.
I'm third.
You.
Yes!
Bitch.
Come on. Chimpanzee banana.
You have to walk back and run.
Goofy laugh.
No,
That goofy laugh.
Chimpanzee banana banana. Let's see, where are you?
Banini. Wow.
Yo, oh shoot, never mind. No. I don't have enough room. Wait, I don't have enough room. Let's do it again. We gotta do it again.
Chimpanzini Banini. Wow.
Come on, we gotta do it again. I didn't have enough room. Come on, let's do it again.
Goodbye, everybody.
Let's do it again. Hi.
I want to deal with you.
Hi, I didn't do it. I had too much friends.
Push off.
Chimpanzee, no, baby, I'm a moment. I'm on no,
Chimpanzini Banini. Wow.
Oh, I feel bad. Alright, let's go. I feel bad for all these people because I couldn't add them, but it's fine.
Oh yeah, I got you. Hi. Wait, are you high? Are you high? No! This can't be happening! The monkey J-Man Curly. It can't be happening.
No. Well, better not be Steve. I'm Diddy. I'm Stevie.
Oh shoot! Run! It's J-Man Curly. He's coming for us. Our monkeys.
No.
Alright, guys, see ya. I'm getting a new
No, it's okay.
Goodbye, everyone.
Wait, I need to tell you something before you go. I need to tell you something.
Yeah.
I'm a turtle.
You're ugly though.
Remove friend.
What?
I'm kidding.
That's why you're so fat and you're so fat. I'm also gonna
Treat
leave
me
the
like
server
what?
'cause,
Okay, bye.
What the game MMF?
P-L-E.
Where am I?
Purple. How to spell purple?
L-E. Hello, I'm back. Hey, hi, where are you? Hi,
What are y'all doing?
hi,
What are y'all doing?
hi, where are you?
What are you doing?
Hi, where are you?
No, like whatever y'all want. Like
Hi.
hide and seek or
Okay.
tag. I don't.
What is that, my brother?
What?
What's up? Who's this? Oh shoot! My bad, bro. My bad. I'm sorry.
What's up?
Everyone follow me. Everyone follow me. Everyone follow me. What the?
I fell out of some.
Everyone go to city.
I'm him, guys.
Everyone go to the stage over here.
I forgot I was even recording. This might be the longest video.
Everyone, we're gonna play hide and seek.